In this presentation, you will learn how to optimize ThinkOrSwim by TD Ameritrade for day trading. TOS is a solid trading platform. However, every trading tool comes with its own set of pros and cons. So when it comes to trading platforms, it is better the devil you know than the one you don't. TOS has a load of features, so you can customize it and even create your own studies. Oh, by the way, TOS calls indicators studies. Out-of-the-box TOS is not configured for optimal performance. The majority of people don't day trade, so this works well for them. Luckily, there are only a couple of things that need to be tweaked for day trading. First, adjust the memory TOS allocates when it fires up and the maximum amount of memory it can use. Do this by clicking the cog at the bottom right of the login screen. The drop-down on the left is the amount of memory TOS allocates when it starts up. The factory default of 32 meg is fine for someone that does not need anything close to real-time consistently. For day trading, 2 gig gives it room to breathe for watching a few charts simultaneously. So that's where we're going. Now, here is an interesting little anomaly. In TOS, the highest minimum value in that drop-down is 1024. Until you select exactly that, then click Save. When TOS comes back up, 1 gig is still the highest in the minimum drop-down. Now, as odd as it sounds, you have to select the 3 gig value of 3072 from the maximum value drop-down on the right. Then click Save again. This time when TOS comes back up, that drop-down on the left will offer 2048 as an option. Lo and behold, 2 gig is exactly the right amount. With TOS set at 2 gig on the left, drop-down, and 3 gig on the right, drop-down, click Save. There's only one other configuration setting you need to do for day trading, and here's how. Log into TOS and click Setup at the top right of the main screen. Click Application Settings from the drop-down, then select System from the General tab on the User Setup screen. Then select Real Time from the Quote Speed drop-down. Click Apply Settings, and you're all set for day trading.
This concludes our presentation. We hope you found it useful and/or entertaining. Have a wonderful day.